Welcome back. This is Natalie Foley on the balance beam for Stanford. Stanford so far, very good rotation in this discipline.
Definitely doing the job they need to do. Put a little pressure on UCLA. Oh, tiny little break. Those are the kind of things that are going to add up. In the end, you'll look back and say, these are the tiny little things that they want to try to get out before nationals. Attack the landings, be very aggressive, don't give up even a half a tenth of a point. Certainly easier said than done.
Yeah.
I will say that. Nice flexibility on these jumps. She's a little nervous. You just see her making nervous errors, kind of checking herself instead of moving smoothly and aggressively. It's more like feeling her way through. Got to attack, attack, attack. Like that landing.
Yeah.
Boy.